Over 90% people think an oil change is the finish line. It isn't. It's the first minute of a brand new test. And that minute decides whether your engine cruises to 300k miles or coughs, bangs, and dies at 60k. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 10 post-oil change rituals pros never skip. Do them every time. They take minutes, they save thousands. Ready? Let's go. Number 10. Inspect the drain plug and crush washer like your engine's life depends on it. Because it does. That little aluminum or copper washer is intended to deform once. Reuse it and you're gambling with a leak. Look at the threads for metal dust or slurry. That's early failure. Replace the washer. If the plug is chewed or rounded, replace the plug. Tighten by hand, then torque to spec. Start it, let it idle 30 seconds, then flashlight under the car. See one fresh drop? Kill the engine. Tighten. Don't let it be. A 50-cent washer turns into a tow truck in an afternoon. Number 9. Prime the filter and confirm the gasket is gone. New filters come with a rubber seal ritual. Before you screw it on, dip your finger in fresh oil and swipe that gasket. It sits perfectly, won't grab or fold. When you remove the old filter, check the groove. One gasket only. Twice gasket blowouts are a real thing. Oil everywhere, smoke, panic. Hand tighten the filter. No wrench crush. If the gasket tears, you'll know why your hood was smoking 20 minutes later. Number 8. The 30-second startup rule. Do not rev. Do not stop. Turn the key, let it idle for 30 seconds. The oil pump is drawing, passages are filling, bearings are getting their first drink. Walk around the car, listen for ticks, smell for burning and check underneath. After 30 seconds, shut it down and check the dipstick. Filters hold about half a quart, top if it's low. That short pause prevents microscopic scoring that becomes a $2,000 bill later. Number 7. Inspect the PCV system. It's tiny and it runs your engine's breathing. Pull the PCV, give it a shake. Rattle equals good. Sticky or silent equals replace. A clogged PCV brings fuel vapor and moisture into your oil. Left alone, it turns into black sludge that chokes bearings and galleys. $10, 5 minutes, and you've likely prevented a $900 deep clean. Number 6. Clean up valve cover and manifolds. Spilled oil that bakes on hot parts will torch seals and melt wiring. After a change, wipe around the valve cover, timing cover, and exhaust manifold. If you smell burnt oil at stoplights, you've already waited too long. A small clean now avoids melted coils and oxygen sensor horror shows. Number 5. Reset the oil life monitor and keep a real log. Hit reset, yes, but also write the mileage and date down. Take a quick photo of the dipstick after a few hundred miles. Dash counters lie. They don't sense contamination or fuel dilution. Your notes do. They'll tell you if oil darkens fast, if levels drop, or if someone at the quick loop skipped a step. This is proof of care for buyers and your future self. Number 4. Use the right oil for how you drive, not just what the manual says. Short city hops? You need an oil that fights condensation and fuel dilution. Towing your highway? You want full synthetic that resists thermal breakdown. Turbocharged or older high-mileage engines? Look for turbo approvals and high detergency. If you care, bring your own bottle to the shop. Don't let a bulk tank dictate your engine's chemistry. Number 3. Gentle flushes, not chemistry experiments. Every few changes, run a mild manufacturer-approved flush or top-end cleaner. 10 minutes at idle softens varnish and loosens soot before draining. Do not overdo it. Follow directions. A controlled flush pulls contaminants that otherwise harden into rock around rings and lifters. That simple habit keeps compression healthy and throttle crisp. Number 2. Check the level twice. The right way. Fill to the mark, start and idle 30 seconds, shut off, wait 5 minutes, then check again. That second reading is the truth. Oil needs time to fill the filter, the galleries, the head. First read is post-refill illusion. Second read is reality. Too low, bearings starve. Too high, aeration, bubbles, loss of pressure. Tip, make your own true full mark on the dipstick after a proper settled reading. Number 1. Finish with a gentle 10-minute drive. Not a rev, not a race, a calm run that raises temp and circulates oil everywhere. That drive seats seals, evens temperature, and moves microscopic debris out of hiding so the next drain pulls it away. After the drive, cool, then check again for leaks and final level. Engines don't protect until oil moves. This 10-minute habit is the difference between an engine that ages gracefully and one that slowly cooks itself. A few real warnings before we wrap up. Don't be proud of shortcuts. Reused washers, dry gaskets, a single hasty dipstick glance, those small choices compound. I've seen spotless service records ruined by 1 minute of carelessness. I've also seen engines that look like they've been babied because the owner did these 10 tiny rituals every time. If you got even one thing from this, do 2 quick things for me. Like the video so others don't learn the hard way, and subscribe. I post weekly no BS maintenance that saves money and time. Drop a comment. What's the dumbest oil change mistake you've seen? I'll read every one, and I'll tell you which of your tips actually works. Now, here's a quick checklist you can read in the garage. Drain plug and washer, replace. Prime and inspect gasket. Idle 30 seconds. Check PCV, wipe spills, log mileage and photo dipstick. Choose oil for your drive. Run a controlled flush occasionally. Check level twice, and finish with a gentle 10-minute drive. Do these 10 every time. Minutes saved now, thousands saved later. Go to your oil change like a pro.